In today's video, I want to show you guys how you can fix the problem that you have no channels installed here on your Philips TV. Okay, for the first step, what we can try to do is that we check like the satellite, the not the HDMI, the cable TV cable, or like the satellite cable or antenna cable. So this is really important. Go on the back of your TV and then here make sure that you check the connection of the cable, unplug the cable, and then plug it in again after. So this is what we can do first to fix the problem. Also like clean the cable and the TV port there. Okay, and after we have checked this, what we also can do is that we go like here in the home bar or in the home settings here, and then we can go into the settings, or we can go directly here to source, not to sources, to the settings button here. So in here we can easily go down on all settings, and here we can do like antenna cable installation or like this satellite installation. So then we can do a new channel scan. So sometimes this helps. What you also can try to do is, if this doesn't work, then we can try to do a software update. Sometimes this helps. Or what you also can try to do is that we unplug the TV, plug it in again, and after that, sometimes your problem is fixed then. Okay, well, but what we also can try to do is that we go here like on sources, and sometimes we have like, selected the wrong input or the wrong source. Here make sure that you, if you have cable TV, then you have to select cable TV, and if not, then here go on satellite. So, and then after that, your no channels installed problem should be fixed. What you also can try to check is if you have like a new operator, then sometimes you don't have like the access right now, or you don't have the access yet, and then you have to wait like 1 day or 2 days, and then you get the access, and then you can easily do a new channel scan. Or sometimes also the operator has like server problems or something. There you can easily Google this, so go on the internet and there you can look for this if your operator has like different server problems. Okay, and after that, your problem should be fixed. If I could help you with the video, then please leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time.